Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Siddharpeetham Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am speaking about sexual energy transmutation yoga. This is called Amuri Dharana. In Siva Yogas, Tirumular Tirumandram, he is explaining different kinds of Siva Yogas. In chapter 3, Virahama. And one of such yoga is Amuri Dharana. That is energy, lifting the vital energy to head and wear it in Sahasrara. Dharana means dharital, to wear the energy in Sahasrara. When you wear that energy in Sahasrara, you will become Chandrasekhara. The energy will shine like the crescent moon. Your face will glow. If you utilize the energy for yogic realization, we practice this yoga for 1 year, your face will glow. If you want facial glow, then you can practice this. The light, just like moonlight, will be covering your forehead. That is what Tirumala says in different occasions. So this energy conservation, preservation and lifting to Sahasrara is very important for all kinds of yoga. There are now different kinds of yoga. Vasi yoga, Kayakalpa yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Hada yoga, Chandra yoga and many more yogas. All the fundamental needs are converting Ojas into Tejas. There is one and the same energy. One and the same energy, if you utilize it for this ordinary earthly life, if you spend the energy through your Jnanendriyas and Antakarnas, your total stock energy is getting leaked through your Jnanendriyas and Antakarnas. If you control that energy and save it, the saved energy will go to Sahasrara and it will be used for creative purpose. That is this energy transmutation yoga called Amuri Dharana. If you do it for 8 years, then mind will detach from the earthly desires. Detaching renunciation, people renounce, renunciation not is so easy. Even the very aged people are running after these sense pleasures. If they get a lot of money, they run after sense pleasure. They go to Pattaya, Thailand. They go to different countries for enjoyment. Even if they, after some 50 or 60 years, even your Jnanendriyas will fail one after one. The eyesight will be lost, then one will wear these specs. When the ear fails, they are using ear aid and again continuing the pursuits of pleasures. So at least after a particular period of time, for example 45 years or 50 years, even then we should control the energy, stock energy flowing through these Antakarnas and these Jnanendriyas. And you have to take the energy to Sahasrara. So if you practice this for 8 years, then your mind will detach, renunciation will come automatically. And the yogi will look up for higher pursuits. If your energy flows towards gonad centers, actually the energy, superior energy, chemical energy or chemical signals from Sahasrara has to come to activate the gonad centers. Gonadotropin, anti-oxytocin, posterior oxytocin. Likewise, secretions or chemical signals have to come to gonad center. When they are activated, the energy will be sent out through your downward path. For yoni or linga, through it is going. For the early period, for when one gets married, it is needed that he has to use it. Then Tirumala also said, then nobody, no need to control this. You get to bigger to children and all these things. And at least after a period of time, one has to exercise control over the vital energy loss. The vital fluid called semen is the seventh, is termed as the seventh Saptatadu. Actually, it is a sum total of all 6 tadus. Muscles, bone, nerves, fat, then bone marrow. Likewise, there is a total. When you waste even a drop of this energy, then the energy is equal to wasting 84 drops of blood, says Tirumoolar and Siddha medicines. So, at the time of young age, you cannot avoid this because the glands will assume the upper, dominate your personality, and you cannot control. Even after a period of time, you have to conserve the energy. Then only spiritual realization, pranayama, dharana, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, everything will stabilize in your body if you stabilize this vital energy fluid in your body. And if he preserves this for more than 8 years, the body of yogi will shine like gold. He says in Tirumala, says in his Tirumandra 846. So such a yoga is needed for all yogas, any Laya yoga or mantra yoga, Chandra yoga. And this is the basic need, just like Kundalini rising. Even for Kundalini rising, this preservation of energy is needed. If you preserve this, is a fuel to meditation. If you preserve this, then only, actually this energy is in the endocrine gland system. In your body, there are 3 types of energy circuits. One is the central pineal gland and central nervous system. Second is hypothalamus and parasympathetic nervous system. The third one is pituitary and chemical system. The endocrine glands are actually giving chemical signals, chemical energy. So if you preserve this, the energy will be utilized for raising Kundalini. How it is, this energy from this third endocrine gland system should pass through this parasympathetic nervous system and reach the central nervous system. Actually, the parasympathetic nervous system is connecting this endocrine gland system and this central nervous system. So if you conserve this energy, then only this energy will be taken to central nervous system, and then only Kundalini will be aroused. So for that, this energy should be contained, controlled, and sent to head. So Tirumoolar compares this to a well. If you go to a well, you see the water will be at a depth of 80 or 90 feet depth. So long as this water is in the well in the deep depth, you cannot utilize it. It remains unused. In due course, even the well becomes damaged and becomes useless. So what happens? You have to utilize the water for creative purpose. Now pump sets are used to lift the water and used for the creative purpose. This agriculture, horticulture, all these raising of herbs, etc. you can utilize drinking purpose, cooking purpose. But before this motor set, only this Erava, that's a technique called Erava, was used in all rural India. Even now it is available in Tamil Nadu in certain areas. They use bullocks and a rope and large buckets to bring the water regularly, and they direct to channelize it to fields for irrigation. In the same way, the chemical energy is, can be sent back to its source. Actually, the energy, spiritual energy, descends to Siemens from Sahasrara. In your left brain represents Bindu energy, Parashakti energy, female energy. And your right brain stands for Shiva energy or intelligence, fine intelligence. And there is a coordinating force. The medulla oblongata is coordinating the left and right brain. And the a nadi called Chitrani nadi is uniting, channelizing energy from left brain to right brain. When the spiritual energy is lifted from the gonads, they first reach the left brain. From there, the Chitrani nadi helps to reach right brain. Then only your this facial glow will come. Then only the yogi will become very cool. Yes, the right side, the Chandra Kalas will shine. And only will be very intelligent, cool, patient, and the meditation will come handy. Only at that stage, the union of Atman and Shiva will happen in that right brain. Tirumura also says that the right brain, where a lot of Shiva temples and Kailas, Manavasarovar, everything is in the right side. So the spiritual energy rises from gonads to go to left side, and from to left to right side, and it should be filled in the Manasarovar called the energy pool. Then only the life will become perfect, and the what we call the mukti, perfection, will be possible. To reach this, there are so many techniques, mudras and mantras, and I am giving practical training for energy transmutation. This one-day training or through online also. I am conducting training daily 1 hour. Those who are interested, contact me. These are the ancient art of Siddhas. The art of Siddhas, the yogas of Siddhas are not yet brought out, because all these secrets are embedded in Tamil only. The Tamil people should translate all these things and explain this in other languages, so that it will go international, so that the whole international community may make use of this. I am taking my effort, maximum effort to familiarize these yogas, so that everybody will get perfection in their life, material as well as spiritual. And for this purpose, you can contact me. Thank you.